Often I'm asked, how do health insurance companies get away with denying medical care to people so often? And really, there's a few reasons for that. First, most people have their health insurance through a private employer. And if that's the case, if they're denied care, their rights are very limited so that they can't actually sue to get meaningful relief that's going to stop improper denials. Second of all, for the people who do have the full rights, who are not essentially stopped or preempted by this law called ERISA, which limits the rights of people who have their insurance through a private employer, there's still arbitration. Virtually all of the health plans in California require, to enroll in the plan, you have to sign what's called a mandatory pre-dispute arbitration agreement. And what that means is that when you sign up for your health insurance, you probably don't know this, but right above your signature line, there's a provision that says that if there's ever a dispute, you agree to go to binding arbitration instead of court. And the plans do this intentionally because they want to limit their liability. And they know that if there's ever a dispute, if it goes to private arbitration, that essentially is ruled upon by a retired judge, mostly retired judge. Some are lawyers as well who are not on the bench, but those people are paid by the hour, and it could be anywhere from $5,000 to $2,000 an hour. So the arbitrators know that if they want repeat business, they're going to get a lot of repeat business from insurance companies and not from John Smith or Bill Johnson or whoever the individual plaintiff is going to be. So the system is really unfair, and it's rigged because the arbitrators know that if they ever award a large, verdict, or if they enter a judgment or an arbitration award in a large amount, they're never going to be hired again by that insurance company, and most likely will never be hired again by any insurance company, because insurance companies, see the results of arbitration awards. So the deck is really stacked against members of health plans when they're denied medical treatment, but there are recourse. There is very legitimate and real ways to get your treatment approved, and I'll talk about that in the next video.